The hardest part of starting a digital product business is knowing what to sell. That's exactly why I made a digital business bundle filled with 14 powerful, practical, and in-demand Google Sheets templates you can instantly resell as your own. Here's a look at what's inside the bundle. 1. The monthly budget tracker available in blue. 2. The annual budget tracker also in blue. 3. The 12-month weight loss tracker comes in purple, pink, green, and blue. 4. The monthly habit tracker also available in purple, pink, green, and blue. And finally, the annual habit tracker in purple, pink, green, and blue as well. Everyone comes with simple step-by-step directions, both in PDF and video, prepared for you and your buyers. But that's just one part of the bundle. Here's the rest of what's inside. 1. A marketing guide. This book breaks down each tracker's features and benefits so you can confidently describe, market, and sell them. 2. A sales guide. This book shows you exactly where to sell your trackers, breaking down the 4 best platforms I've personally tested. 3. A packaging guide. This book gives you practical tips on how to bundle, price, and present your templates for maximum profit. 4. An upload and launch checklist guide. This book walks you through the entire upload to launch process. You'll also get a private label rights license to edit and sell these templates as your own, plus access to our private Facebook community, and you'll have direct support from me if you ever need help. This business bundle was developed for anyone who wants to earn passive income without putting everything together from scratch. Now let's talk money. If you sell each template on its own for $10 to $15 or the bundle for $30 to $70, you'll need only 3 to 5 sales to make back your full investment. And after that, it's entirely 100% profit. Because this is a digital product business, you only need to upload the files once and you can resell forever with no extra cost involved. Now here's the thing. To maintain value and prevent saturation, I'll only offer these in small batches. Once a batch sells out, I'll temporarily pause access so early buyers can set up, start selling, and get ahead. So if you're watching closely now, you're early. Click the link in my bio, grab your business bundle, and join the next cohort before doors close. Or just comment business and I'll send the link straight to you.